All right. Hey, folks. Wacky weatherman. Yeah, it is. It has been a while since I've seen you, but January and February are kind of the slow months because the weather is just boring and stupid. And I'm looking out the window right now where we go outside at. So, cold and cloudy, of course, but we're going to check out the weather, and hey, we're just going to see what's going on in the world in the weather deal here. So let's just check this out.
Wednesday morning, Chief Meteorologist Trent Okerson with a look at your forecast on what's going to be an interesting weather day. Our perhaps best chance of wintry weather so far this season, and the first winter weather advisory of the season posted. It runs through this evening for most of southern Illinois. Massac County, you guys are left out for the time being. Southeast Missouri, most of you guys also included in that, as well as Union-Webster County up around the Evansville area here in Kentucky. This is where we got the best chance for 1 to 2 inches of snow. Not completely out of the question that we could even see an isolated 3-inch total farther northwest. So, slick roads may develop. Most of our accumulation today will be on grassy and elevated surfaces, but with those amounts, could see some slick spots develop, and reduced visibility during snow could also lead to some hazardous driving conditions.
Yeah.
Here's a look at what we're expecting as far as totals. Western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, less than an inch, as it's going to be too warm for much accumulation, and some rain will mix in, especially in Tennessee. But closer to the Ohio River, we could see near an inch of slushy accumulation on the grass around Paducah, Princeton, Marion. Farther north into southern Illinois, you see Carbondale and Cape, that 1 to 3. Likely in the 1 to 2 inch range, but the farther northwest.
Okay, so apparently it likes to kick off for some reason.
Hey friends, good Wednesday morning. Chief Meteorologist Trent Okerson with the look at your wake-up weather and some interesting weather today. Our first winter weather advisory of the season has been posted for much of southern Illinois and southeast Missouri, as this is where we're going to have the best chance for accumulation of 1 to 2 inches of snow. Now, most of that will be on grass and elevated surfaces.
So this is the 27th of January of 21.
For some slick spots to develop on roads, so we'll need to watch out for some hazardous driving conditions. Also, the heavier bursts of snow could reduce visibility to the point of being a little hazardous for travel. Here's a look at the snowfall map, and you see there in the advisory area, most spots expecting 1 to 2 inches. We've got a chance for isolated 3-inch totals up around Carbondale, Cape, Perryville, into western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, an inch or less, as we'll have warmer temperatures and maybe a little bit of rain cutting down on accumulation. Again, the heavier burst of snow coming in between 9 and noon, tapering off for the afternoon, and temperatures today staying in the 30s.
Now, weather on
Okay, here we go, 65.
All right, 5:16, and an interesting Wednesday of weather shaping up as we are tracking some snowy weather in the forecast. For many of us, this will probably be our biggest bout of wintry weather so far this season. Now, that's, not saying much for some of us.
Here's all the videos that
be a sledding type of snow for many spots, but we will have some pretty significant snow showers rolling through. Southeast Missouri, arrival times here between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. That will put it right up pretty close to the Mississippi River between 9 a.m. and noon, and arrival time for most of southeast or southern Illinois, most of western Kentucky and northwest Tennessee. East of the lakes was when we'll see that arrival time more in that noon to 3 o'clock time frame for today. But most of the activity is going to be rolling through right around late morning and midday. Now, our snowfall probabilities will highlight the chance of seeing 2 inches of snow. You see here from Mount Vernon down through Harrisburg and Carmi and over toward Fredericktown. We've got about a 20 to 30% chance of achieving that 2-inch total here. So we're still talking about.
Okay, for some freaking reason it wants to cut off.
Now, weather on the 6s.
All right, 5:16, and an interesting.
Hey there, good evening. Thanks for checking out the video forecast on WPSTLocal6.com and the WPST radar app. We are tracking snow for tomorrow.
This was last night, y'all, so we get to see this too, so
will it accumulate?
might as well.
Impacts very little. We're looking at a dusting to an inch. Could there be a few slick spots? Sure. But by and large, most of the accumulations are going to be not on the roadways. Highs today were above average. 50 Paducah, 54 in Murray, 57 in Hopkinsville, 46 in Carbondale, average is 44. Tonight, clouds move in, temps fall 2 or just below freezing, 31 in Union City, 30 in Murray, cloudy, dry with a light breeze, 29 in Massac County, 27 Marion, Carbondale, Harrisburg, Illinois. Here are the notables tonight. Some snow for Wednesday. Pick of the week will be Thursday.
We'll go out here and check it out here in a little bit.
Or rain.
January is almost gone, y'all.
Tomorrow. Snow midday, we'll say between 10 a.m.
But tomorrow is supposed to be real pretty and sunny. A little cold, but in the 30s. But we're going to get out there and look at it and enjoy it and spend a little bit of time out there. Okay, for some reason, this stupid thing likes to cut out for some reason. I think this radar app is not the greatest. But anyway, folks, I will see you in the next video outside. It'll be cold. But, well, that's what you get with Wacky Weatherman. So, once again, this is January the 27th of 2021. And I'll see you guys outside. So, like, share, subscribe, comment, and you all say groovy.